Hi, good morning. It's Bruce Hastie, Galleon brand sales manager for Argo Yachting, and today you join me on board the Galleon 480 Fly. We're sat in this wonderful four-deck seating arrangement, but the focus of today's video is to explain to you about Argo Assured Extended Guarantee. This is a 5-year guarantee available with all new Galleon yachts that are purchased through Argo Yachting. The first 2 years is a manufacturer's based guarantee, and years 3, 4 and 5 are covered by the Argo Assured Extended Guarantee. This is applicable to the first owner. It is a mechanical and electrical guarantee that provides cover for engines, generators, hydraulic platforms, air conditioning and many other components on board the boat, and gives you a complete peace of mind for anyone considering a new purchase this year. The guarantee is available in 30 countries across Europe and is administered directly by us through our service centres in Southampton, Plymouth, Mallorca and Germany. We really feel that by offering this to you, it'll give you peace of mind through the first 5 years of your ownership, and more details on this product can be found at argoyachting.com.